Hello, good morning. Today is exciting day because today I would like to tell you why I got new Apple MacBook Pro M3 and I would like to unbox it together with you. But first, let's make this coffee with me. Look at this, it looks like really Apple logo. I'm really happy how this turned out. So I have decided to get MacBook Pro M3 Pro in space black aluminum finish. Let's pull the strip that every Apple box has. Look at the new wallpaper on the box. So let's do this. Oh, this is so satisfying. So now we are going to have a look what's inside the box. So first, MacBook, but we are going to have a closer look in a bit. That Apple smell. We have here Apple USB-C MagSafe free cable in space black finish. Now obviously the paperwork designed by Apple California. And we have here safety warranty handling instructions and also Apple Quick Start Guide. And we have two black Apple stickers. And you see, like, it's very good, high quality stickers on like very special paper. I'm not sure what it is. So overall, the packaging looks really premium. And we have the basic charger Apple 70-watt USB-C power adapter with single USB-C port. So we have really nice charging cable for MagSafe adapter, but really Apple, look at this. You change the charging cable and color of the Apple stickers, but not the power adapter itself. Really Apple? I'm just kidding. Actually, I like this combination due to the fact that I'm trying to match my desk setup in white and black color. So this goes actually very well with my setup. And if you are curious about my desk setup, I'm going to make soon the video. So subscribe and hit the bell button so to get notified. But also the overall color will go well with my phone as well. And plus, my chair is black and white color, so as you can see, so all is aligned. Thank you, Apple. So this MacBook has been designed in a way so it should resist the fingerprints, but you have seen in a bit when I first started touching it, I have already fingerprints and I will continuously have it. But in my case, it's not really Apple's fault. It's because of the fact that I'm using hand creamer very often, so I guess we cannot avoid it. But normally it reduces the fingerprints much more than previous models. So look at this, it really looks and feels with high quality. But before we continue, let me tell you why did I get it. So personally, I do have a MacBook Pro M1 2020 version in space gray color, so let me showcase you. So over here, so this is my own laptop. However, I'm using it purely for work purposes. And generally I have desktop with 128GB RAM where I do heavy like lab testing, when I need to set up some virtual machine and so on and so forth. However, I wanted something for my own personal travels, and primarily I bought this laptop for video editing. So because I do enjoy video editing with Final Cut Pro, which is obviously available only on macOS. And yeah, it's because it's my favorite app. So this MacBook really looks stunning, isn't it? So you have to love the MacBook Pro design that is engraved on the bottom of the MacBook. So design actually look and feel fantastic. For me, it's quite heavy comparing to the other laptop that I have. What we have here? We have here the rubber feet, obviously, so that we can prevent movement on the desk. And here is how the color actually differs for space gray. And obviously it will look much different on different lighting conditions. And one more thing, this is 13-inch size and this is 14-inch size, so you can do comparison. So from the ports perspective on this model, we have MagSafe free for charging. Let me showcase you like this. So we have MagSafe free for charging, then we have Thunderbolt 4 for USB-C, and 3.5 millimeter jack for headphones, and then we have HDMI port, and again Thunderbolt 4 for USB-C connections, and we have SD card reader SDXC port. So that's from the ports availability on this specific model. So one of the another reasons why I got this specific model is because the entry-based model was having only 8GB RAM, so which today I feel is not enough, but I know on the Mac, like comparing MacBook with other vendors is not one-to-one comparison. However, I wanted to have some model that will be more future-proof, so that will last me for some time, but I didn't want to boost it so much, so that because I feel like Apple like continues innovation, and I believe like within a couple of years I will be for sure upgrading to different, more powerful model as well. So yeah, this model has 18GB of RAM, which I feel is just good enough. So another reason why I chose this model, because I needed to have option to plug 2 external monitors instead of just one, which is quite limitation on my work laptop, but I kind of get used to it. But to boost my productivity, I would like to get 2 external monitors. That is mostly for improving my video editing workflow. And the display on this beast is just unbeatable on the market. I mean, the colors looks stunning, and all thanks to liquid XDR Retina display. So if you are wondering what desk setup I have with this beast, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified when I post it in upcoming weeks.